Today I'm going to show you how to make t-shirt designs like a pro using Kittl. I'll even show you how to take the design and upload it as your first Etsy listing. First off, I'm going to come to Kittl.com and I'm going to use Kittl because it's easy to use. They have a ton of pre-made templates, as you can see right here if you go over to show all under trending templates. They have all of these pre-made templates, which means less work for me. They also have built-in font and text effects, so that is also less money I have to spend elsewhere. Not only that, but they have licensing for print on demand, so I don't have to worry about anybody coming after me saying that my stuff is copywritten or trademark or that's their design. I can use any of these designs and I don't have to worry about that trouble. So for the design I'm making today, I'm going to make it teacher themed because Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up. So all I have to do is type in this search box, teacher. As you can see, they have all of these great ideas and all I have to do is just find out which one fits the style that I'm trying to go for in this design. Like I said, it's for a Teacher Appreciation Week. So I'm gonna go ahead and look through and see which ones I like. I'm gonna save that one. I want one with flowers. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling until I find exactly what I'm looking for. And as you can see, the options just keep going on and on. So if I don't find exactly what I'm looking for in just typing in teacher, I can always type in something like groovy. I don't have to type in the niche. I just type in groovy and the type of aesthetic I'm looking for. So I'm gonna scroll back up and start over. That's cute. I think I'm going to try out either this one or this one. I think I'm gonna try this one here. Now all I have to do is plug in what I want my design to say, and I want it to say something dealing with teachers, of course. So I already have a saying, helping, and I'm just trying to see how this will fit. So let's see, bring that up. And if the font doesn't work for you, you can always come over here to the right side and change the font style. But first, I just want to go ahead and plug it in. So, helping little minds grow. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, I need to take out okay. Just don't like how that T is crossing over the L. So let's see if I change this, how will that look? Okay, then I can just delete that and make this a little bit bigger. And you can also move the elements around. Helping little minds grow. Now the color is fitting because spring is here, so that's fitting, and also summertime. So I'm going to leave this exactly as is. However, if I did want to change the color of the elements in here, all I had to do was select the text and come right here under color, and I can change it to whatever color I want to. So I'm going to leave the colors exactly as is. However, if you wanted to change the color, all you have to do, it seems like all of these are grouped together. You're gonna click the whole thing and then right click on your mouse, scroll down to ungroup. And now everything is in an individual element. Ungroup that. So now I can change the color of this flower. So if I want to change the purple to, say, the pink on here, There we go. Actually, I'll just leave it exactly like that. So now I'm ready to save my design and mock it up. So let's go ahead and go over to export. And what you want to do is make sure it's 300 DPI. This is to make sure it's good quality when it prints out. 300 DPI, PNG. You want to remove the background, or else this whole background here will download right along with your image, and also optimize the quality. Then I'm going to hit export. Now I'm going to go ahead and mock up my design so I can upload it to my shop. I have my mock-up, and now I need my design. Now I'm going to insert my design, place it on my mock-up how I want it to be positioned. Bring it up a little bit. There we go. There's my mock-up. Now I'm going to go ahead and export, bring up the pixels. I'll do 300 DPI, optimize quality, export. Now I'm going to go ahead and click add a new listing in Etsy, and I'm doing a t-shirt, so I'm going to click t-shirt, continue, physical item. Who did it? I did. It's a finished product, made to order. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in everything for my listing. So I've added my title, my photos. I'm going to add my description. Come down, add my price, the quantity. I'll just enter 900. Sleeve length is short sleeve. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tags, add my shipping option, keep it on automatic, and that's it. Now I just hit publish. And this is how my listing will look once it is published. If you're interested in trying Kittl for yourself, definitely check the link below. You can try it out for free. And if you would like to try out their pro subscription, I have a 25% discount code down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.